Hello and welcome to Sans Tracas, the first of its kind cross-platform tool that allows anyone to participate in EEG experiments online. In this video, I will guide you through the steps involved in the study. First, what is EEG? EEG stands for Electroencephalography and is a method of recording the electrical activity of the brain from the scalp. Traditional EEG devices that you find in a lab could look like this and have many channels. These days, there are also several consumer-grade EEG devices, such as the Muse EEG headband that I'm currently wearing, which are easier to use and are accessible to you and me. The Sans Tracas platform was built to enable anyone with access to a Muse and a computer to take part in EEG studies from the comfort of their own home. Before you get started, please confirm that you are using Sans Tracas either in the Chrome browser or the Bluefy browser if you are on an iPad or an iPhone. You can read more details on the platform requirements on this link. You also want to have your Muse device charged and ready to use. Right below this video, you will find a list of all the experiments that you can take part in. Click on the hamburger button to view the experiment descriptions. As a part of this study, you have to go through the visual and 170 experiment and click on the play button to start the experiment. On this page, you simply have to copy paste your random participant ID and click on Submit. This is the connection screen. At this stage, you want to ensure that your Bluetooth is enabled on your computer. If you are on a smartphone or a tablet, you also want to enable your device location. Then press the Connect button and turn on your Muse device. This will enable a pop-up dialog box. Please select your Muse device from the available options and click on Pair. Once you have connected it successfully, you will come to this screen. If nothing happens at the connection stage, please check that you are using Chrome, that Bluetooth is enabled, and your Muse is charged and powered on. Once the Muse is connected, it is time to place it on your head. The two videos below provide instructions for how to correctly put the headband. The first video is for Muse 2016 or Muse 2, and the second video is for Muse as headband. Please make sure to follow the instructions from these videos to properly fit the device on your head. Once this is done, the next step is the signal quality check to make sure that the sensors are receiving good quality data. For this process, you will be asked to sit quietly with your eyes closed for 30 seconds. Even though the Muse senses your brain activity, don't worry, it cannot read your thoughts. It merely records your brain's response to specific stimuli shown to you on the screen during the experiment. After clicking on this screen, after 30 seconds, you will hear a brief tone letting you know that you can open your eyes. And then you will see this screen with a graph of your brain activity over the last 30 seconds. If you do not hear a tone for a long time and this screen does not appear, please refit the Muse and repeat the connection step by refreshing your browser. Each line here represents the signal across time for each separate channel, with a guide for how to interpret your results. Hovering over the bars here will show you additional information such as the exact standard deviation of your signal. As you can see here, my signal quality for all of my channels, all four of Muse's channels, is at least good. If the signal quality is in the poor range, please readjust the Muse fit. Make sure that you get all your hair out of the way, tighten it so that it fits snugly on your head, and go through the signal quality check process again. Ideally, you will be able to achieve a good quality signal before beginning the experiment. When you are ready, click on the Start Experiment button to begin the experiment. Once you press the Start Experiment button, you will have an instructions screen. Each experiment has its own instructions screen. Please read these instructions carefully, and when you're ready, click on this button to begin your experiment. When the experiment is over, you will see this screen. Here you can download your EEG data or your experiment data if you want to examine it yourself. Your EEG data is also automatically sent to the Sans Tracas server. Thank you for taking part in this study, and I hope that our platform will spark an interest in EEG and brain-computer interaction research in you.